If your TV sound lacks punch, you're missing out. Let's fix that by connecting your smart TV to an amplifier. First up, HDMI ARC, the gold standard. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI ARC port on your TV and the other to the HDMI ARC port on your amplifier. Go to your TV settings, enable HDMI ARC and set the audio output to HDMI ARC. On your amplifier, select the correct input. Boom, high-quality sound. Next, optical cable. Plug the optical cable into your TV's optical out and the amplifier's optical in. Adjust your TV's audio output to optical or digital audio out. Set the input on your amplifier to match. Crystal clear sound. Lastly, RCA or 3.5mm jack for analog setups. Connect the red and white RCA cables or the 3.5mm jack between your TV and amplifier. Adjust TV settings to analog or headphone out and select the input on your amplifier. Old school, but it works. Check your manuals, adjust settings, and enjoy your upgraded audio experience.